Well, we had a big brown trout out here in the middle of the river, wide open, feeding on nymphs. We could see him moving around. And I didn't want to put on an indicator or a dry dropper because, it makes too much commotion. I just wanted to fish a naked nymph, just a nymph and floating line. And here you can watch the line if you want, but I prefer when you can see the fish to just watch the fish. And I cast over the fish. Once he moved on it, I could see him move toward it. And you have to kind of estimate where your fly is in relation to the tip of your line. And at one point, I saw him move and open his mouth, and I wasn't even looking at the line. You just watch the fish. I saw him move and opens his mouth. I tightened, and there he was. So, in certain situations, it's nice when you got sight fishing and you got fish in clear water. It's really nice to naked nymph, to not have any junk on the leader, just a clean nymph on the end of your tippet.
You took that big white.
The fish was a large brown trout, probably 21 inches or so. Great fish for a river like this. This river holds a lot of big fish. We've seen a lot of big fish today. Yeah, he didn't tear off a lot of line, but he did make a couple of spectacular jumps, and I had 4X on, and I was able to put a fair amount of pressure on him and get him in fairly quickly.